All right, guys, let's go ahead and review. So we know that this week we have been working on welded sounds, which are those sounds that you can still kind of hear them on their own, like g, You can hear them the same, but they sound so much better when they're welded or glued together. Remember, we have four vowels that go with those welded sounds. We have long A, short O, ah, short U, and that I that borrows its sound from the E. Okay, so let's read these together. We have ang, ong, ung, and ing. Good job. Now you should have your phonics journal, and we're going to go ahead and take it out, and we're going to write some words, and then we're going to diagram them. Okay. So I'm going to pull myself down here into the corner and make myself a little bit bigger, and then we're going to get started. Here we go. Word number 1 is lung. Lung. Those are those things in your chest that help you breathe. Lung. 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 Good job, guys. You should have spelled it L-U-N-G. Very good. Ooh, this one's going to be kind of tricky. I can't wait to see who gets it. Here we go. String. 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 This one has 6 letters. 6. Look at your paper. Do you have 6 letters? Are those 6 letters S-T-R-I-N-G? If so, you are right. Very good. All right, my next word is gong. Gong. It's like a big cymbal. Gong. G-ong. We spell that one G-O-N-G. Very good. Here we go. We got another kind of tricky one. Here we go. Clang. 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 So it has 5 letters. Cl. Cl. C-L. Ang. A-N-G. C-L-A-N-G. Good job. All right, let's get ready to diagram our words. I'm going to switch our screen. Here we go. Let me get my pen ready. I think I'm going to use green today. I think that's a good bet. All right, here we go. Remember, underline the talking vowel, mark it with a V. Now, we got to talk about this. I see that there is a vowel or a consonant sound behind it, right? But we know that when A is partnered with NG, even though there's a consonant sound behind it, it's going to make its long sound A, because that's what A does when it's paired with NG and NK. So we have our blend at the beginning. Remember, we're going to draw our blending bowl around it. Here we go. Circle that CL, and let's say our sounds. Cool. Ang. Clang. Very good. Well, that was the last word. Why didn't you guys tell me we were wrong? Well, we've already done word number 4. Let's go back over here to word number 1, which is lung. Here we go. We're going to underline our vowel, and we're going to mark it with a V. Now, I see when I look behind my talking vowel, I have the NG. Remember yesterday we said look behind the talking vowel, swoop the NG. All right. We know when U is working with NG in that welded sound, U makes its short sound. So we have ung, lung. Good job. Here we go. Ooh, this is that big one. Underline the talking vowel, mark it with a V. Look behind the talking vowel. Swoop the NG. Those work together. When the NG is paired with I, remember it's going to say that E sound. I'm not really even sure what to write above the I. I don't know what symbol goes above that sound, so we're just going to leave it blank. But we know in our heads that it makes the E sound. We have a 3-letter blend, so we're going to draw a big old blending ball around it. S-T-R. Blend it. So now we have string. String. Good job. Our last word. Underline the talking vowel. Mark it with a V. Look behind the talking vowel. Swoop the NG. Now, we know that when O works with NG, it's going to say its short vowel sound. So we have G, ong, gong. Very good. And of course, we've already done clang. Very good. Let's go back to our other PowerPoint. And we're going to read our words one more time. Here we go. First word, lung. Second word, oh, that one says sting. Instead of string, we need an R in there. All right. Our next word, gong and clang. Very good. Here we go. Let's try a sentence. You ready? Are we ready for this sentence? All right. Here we go. Has the bell hung in the shed for very long? That's kind of a long sentence. I'm going to read it again. Has the bell hung in the shed for very long? All right, let's break it down. Has the bell hung in the shed for very long? For very long. Has the bell hung in the shed for very long? Let's look at your sentence. If you're not finished writing your sentence, pause the video now. If you are finished, keep going with me. Here we go. Check your sentence. Do you have a capital H at the beginning of has? Let's see. Has the L, 2 L's, because that's our floss rule. When we have a short vowel, we double the L's. Hung, there's your ung sound, in the shed for very, there's a red word, long. Remember, we need a question mark at the end of that sentence because it is an asking sentence. Good job, guys. Let's review our red words. Here we go. Our first red word is why. Why. Good job. Our next red word is think. Think. Good job. Our next red word, give. Give. I'm going to give this to you. We said, remember that one? Miss Gates has the yawns. Y'all know me. I yawn all the time. Give. Remember, this one looks like it should say give, but it doesn't. That magic E doesn't work in this one, and this word is just give. Our next word, no. Remember, this isn't no, no, no. This is I know the right answer. No. And our last word, would. This is not wood like you chop. This is would, like the question word. Would you like to play with me? Would. Very good. Let's go ahead and read all of our red words from the last 9 weeks, and then we'll be done for today. Here we go, across the top. Gave, those, call, does, these, pull, been, you, first, use, both, us, it's, made, many, goes, read, or very which. Great job today, guys. You are done with phonics. Don't forget, take a picture of your work and submit it on Seesaw to Miss Gates.